Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Paraffin Wax Kit is probably one of the most sought-after items for anyone looking to achieve incredibly soft, smooth, and rejuvenated skin on their hands and feet, offering a luxurious spa-like experience right in the comfort of your own home. This kit is designed to deeply moisturize and condition dry, cracked skin, leaving it feeling supple and revitalized, making it an essential addition to your self-care routine for achieving that perfect, pampered finish. Number 5. Ejiubas Paraffin Wax Machine. Experience soothing relief for dry hands, feet, and elbows. This device helps improve mobility and offers comforting heat therapy for stiff joints, making at-home spa treatments convenient and effective. Enjoy rapid heating with our machine, melting up to 2 pounds of wax in just 20 minutes. Its large opening accommodates hands, feet, and elbows with ease for a comfortable experience. Using it is simple. Just add wax, select your temperature, and immerse. Relax for 10 minutes and peel away to reveal silky smooth skin. Always test the temperature for safety. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a paraffin spa at home. It comes with wax, thermal mitts, booties, glove liners, and essential tools for a complete treatment. Achieve a time-saving and money-saving paraffin spa experience right in your home. It's perfect for personal use or for hosting a fun spa party with family and friends. We stand behind our product with a 12-month warranty and dedicated customer service. Enjoy your purchase with confidence, knowing we're here to help with any questions. What we like? This kit heats up incredibly fast, melting 2 pounds of wax in just 20 minutes. It also comes with a generous capacity and includes everything you need for a full spa experience at home. If you're looking for a quick and comprehensive solution for dry skin and joint relief, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The paraffin wax is easy to melt and apply, providing a soothing and moisturizing treatment for hands and feet. This kit includes everything needed for a professional quality paraffin wax treatment at home, with a generous amount of wax for multiple uses. The warm wax leaves the skin feeling incredibly soft and hydrated, effectively relieving dryness and roughness. Number 4. Karite 4000 ml Paraffin Wax Warmer. Enjoy a professional hand, foot, and elbow spa treatment in the comfort of your own home. Its large opening allows for easy dipping of hands, feet, and elbows into the melted wax. Experience quick and even wax melting in just 30 minutes. The specially designed alloy heating pot ensures efficient heat conductivity for a convenient treatment. Easily set your desired temperature between 86 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit or a timer from 1 to 99 minutes. It automatically finishes the task for you. Benefit from the soothing and moisturizing properties of paraffin wax. It leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and rejuvenated. We prioritize product quality and your shopping experience. Contact us anytime with any questions or concerns for 7*24H online service. What we like? This machine boasts a speedy wax meltdown in just 30 minutes and features smart temperature and timer controls for ease of use. If you appreciate precise control and a quick, even heating process for a professional spa feel at home, this is the one for you. What people say. The paraffin wax is easy to melt and apply, providing a soothing and moisturizing experience for both hands and feet. This kit includes everything needed for a professional quality paraffin treatment at home, making it convenient and effective. The wax leaves the skin feeling incredibly soft and hydrated, with long-lasting results that improve skin texture. Number 3. Ella Bella Paraffin Wax Machine. Experience soothing relief for your hands, feet, and elbows. The gentle warmth helps increase circulation, easing discomfort from arthritis and joint pain. Using this device is incredibly simple. Just add your wax, set your preferred temperature, and let it handle the rest for a seamless experience. Indulge in a luxurious at-home spa treatment. In just 30 minutes, reveal smoother, softer skin with its quick and painless exfoliating effect. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for a complete treatment. It includes wax refills, liners, applicators, and protective mitts and booties. As a mom-owned brand, your satisfaction is our priority. If you're not happy, we'll make it right or offer a full refund, no questions asked. What we like? This kit is designed for effective pain relief and is incredibly easy to operate, making it perfect for a relaxing at-home spa experience. If you're seeking soothing warmth for arthritis or joint pain and value a product from a trusted, mom-owned brand, this option is a great fit. What people say. The paraffin wax is easy to melt and provides a soothing warmth. The kit includes everything needed for a spa-like treatment at home. My skin felt incredibly soft and moisturized after using the paraffin wax. Number 2. KETAR Disposable Plastic Gloves. Introducing KETAR's disposable plastic gloves, designed for ultimate convenience during hand care routines. Keep your hands protected and clean with these lightweight, transparent gloves. Ideal for paraffin wax treatments, these gloves ensure a mess-free application. Their leak-resistant design provides a barrier, making your spa experience more enjoyable. Beyond hand care, these versatile gloves are perfect for various tasks. Use them for cooking, tie-dye projects, cleaning, or even during hair treatments. Experience comfort with their lightweight design that doesn't compromise on protection. You'll barely notice you're wearing them, allowing for ease of movement. The transparent material allows you to see what you're doing, while the leak-resistant feature prevents any unwanted spills or drips. They offer reliable protection for any task. These gloves are an essential addition to your home or salon. They provide a hygienic solution for a multitude of everyday activities, ensuring cleanliness and ease. What we like. This product offers a large quantity of disposable gloves that are transparent, lightweight, and leak-resistant. If you need a hygienic and convenient solution for hand care during paraffin treatments, manicures, or even messy crafts, these gloves are a practical choice. What people say. This paraffin wax kit is great for softening and moisturizing dry skin on hands and feet. The wax melts quickly and evenly, providing a soothing and therapeutic experience. The kit includes everything you need for a complete paraffin treatment at home. Number 1. Waxkiss 5000 ml Paraffin Bath. Indulge in a luxurious spa experience right at home. This large capacity machine is designed for both your hands and feet, offering unparalleled comfort and rejuvenation. Take full control of your comfort with its precise digital temperature settings. Easily adjust the heat to your preference for a perfectly soothing treatment every time. Simply melt the wax, dip your hands, feet, or elbows, and relax. Enjoy a silky smooth skin transformation in just minutes. It's designed for your ultimate convenience. Perfect for personal beauty routines, relieving joint pain for the elderly, or as a thoughtful gift. It's ideal for use in homes, salons, and medical settings. Made with safe materials, this device offers a healthy way to smooth and soften dry skin. It provides soothing relief for arthritis discomfort, promoting overall well-being. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a complete paraffin treatment. Enjoy the benefits of soft, moisturized skin with ease and efficiency. What we like. With a substantial 5,000 ml capacity and precise digital temperature control, this machine is ideal for extensive use and offers a wide range of applications. If you're looking for a high-capacity paraffin bath for frequent use, professional settings, or to provide relief for elderly family members, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The paraffin wax is easy to melt and apply, creating a smooth and moisturizing layer on the skin. The kit includes all the necessary accessories for a complete paraffin treatment, making it convenient to use at home. After using the paraffin wax, my hands and feet felt incredibly soft and hydrated, with a noticeable improvement in skin texture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.